our home at?
The dome is at 265, 111.
No. I'm just coming over.
Every time I stream, I get kicked.
No, record it. Oh, nice.
Someone get me out. Well, let me know what's gonna happen. I'll watch the stream.
Wait, what'd you say? It's 265 what?
265, 111.
111?
Yes, sir. Oh, no.
I have mind sickness.
God damn it. We can go out there with a bucket of milk.
I think I'm about to break the block. I hope you don't build it in too much.
He's like, "Is it open yet? I've been waiting. I've been reading articles for weeks."
Dude, it's not at 265, 111. What's the actual coordinates?
It's like 200, 200.
265, 56, 111. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, not 1011, dude.
Yeah, 111. 111.
No, I know where it is, I think.
Sorry, buddy.
You're locked in a
Follow,
hole.
Us.
follow good.
I'm gonna do particle patrol so we don't crash the fucking server.
Wait, you could have mined me out the whole time?
You guys are on the horizon.
The fuck? I'm gonna break a boat and leave you in sea. This way.
Dude, this looks so bad. It looks like some sci-fi shit.
You just fucking ram me?
Yeah.
How did you get out?
The hole? You can break it after a long time. I came out and Gov's just like right next to me in the water. Didn't even fucking open.
I can see.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, we're like right, we're kind of close now. It's like right in front of us. I think the village is like kind of close right now.
Which way do I turn when I see the dolphin?
There it is. It's right there.
Right at the dolphin?
Wait, he's circling you. The dolphin's circling you.
Yeah, which direction do I turn when I get to the dolphin bird? Okay.
Yeah, Leroy or Alfred, because there's a lot of cool dolphins, but some of them are. Echo is all fucked up.
Oh, dude.
I'm going in.
Oh,
This is
Joey.
sick.
Wait, my
Joey,
wolf.
I
Don't
broke
die,
a
wolf.
piece of gla-
What?
Joey, I'm sorry.
What happened?
I broke a piece of glass
Where?
over by where my dumbass is.
Where? Show me.
Over where I am. I'm sorry.
Which one?
Fuck.
He filled it in with
I think it's this one, this dirt. It was yellow. I'm so sorry. I hate myself. I turned around. I was trying to push to talk, but I was holding push to destroy button.
Oh my god, dude. The dangers of this entire place being glass is just
Joe,
I know that was my fault. I fucked up. I'm like triple tasking because Sue's over here.
No, I have yellow glass. I can get yellow glass.
So Joe, is this
Yes.
gonna be covered?
What do you mean?
Why? How is the water just staying right there?
That's how
Magic
water
glass.
works, dude. Obviously.
Well, is it gonna always stay like this, or is it gonna cover the whole thing?
I don't know.
What do you mean you
Where is
don't know?
that?
You definitely didn't think
Yeah,
about this
We
yourself.
might have to do a little working, but there's ways we can make it cover it for sure.
Well, it better, because if not, my boat is stuck here forever.
Ow.
Yeah. All right. So we digging all this dirt. Do you want help?
Do you want to run around and collect all the floating particulates? Because that can crash this.
okay.
Yeah, it's a good Drakthor job.
What?
Okay.
I need stacks on stacks on stacks of dirt, actually.
Oh, I have dirt for you. Yeah, we have dirt.
I mean, I need like 5 or 6 at least, or 7 or more
That's
stacks.
easy, man. That's easy.
Dude, you can
Alright,
have all of this dirt.
How do you
I-
break a boat?
Then I wanted stone or
Oh,
something
never
else.
mind.
I got a bunch of stone too. Although I'm gonna need it for the XP farm. Oh shit! Hey, buddy.
Okay, what's the requirements for an elevator?
Soul sand really is all you need. I have.
Yeah, soul sand to go up, magma block to go down.
Does it
Oh, yeah.
need to be surrounded by something or no?
Yeah, any block that doesn't let water pass. So like rocks.
Okay,
You could
but
do-
not. I'm not talking about in water. How about out of water?
Yeah, you can do it out of.
Out
Is
the
it?
sun? I mean the. Wait.
Oh, I see you mean. You're getting rid of the dirt.
So
Oh no.
does the elevator need to be surrounded to go up and down, or no?
If it's not surrounded, the water is gonna flow everywhere.
If it's
Every
not
block.
not a fucking not an underground one.
Yeah,
It
you
won't
would
matter.
need like a tube. You would need like a 4 block around it tube with one hollow.
Oh, I have to do that to have any elevator? Yeah?
Yeah.
I was gonna be so mad if that was a creep.
Go away. You're not invited to our pool. All the shit we've done so far, we probably could have been filming and made a fucking YouTube. Because it's cooler than a lot of the ones I've seen with like millions of views. I keep almost accidentally breaking glass by pushing push to talk. I'm gonna shut the fuck up.
Did you break another piece of glass?
No.
How do you reset the enchantments for a weapon? Like what's available?
Hey,
Oh,
what?
are you at the table?
Mhm.
I think you gotta like enchant something and then it'll reset.
Oh,
So if you get a shitty one, usually people enchant like a book.
What button do I press to like not fall off the brick I'm on?
Shift or crouch, whatever your crouch is.
you have to hold it though. There's like a water guy shooting me. What?
Oh no, does he have a trident? Those
Yeah.
guys are tough. Those are the most powerful motherfuckers.
Shit, you almost killed me.
Yeah, those guys are fucking tough. I guess I'll come try to kill
He's like
this
in
guy.
between Arby's and Joe's base. Oh, you're up there, Brennan.
What a cocksucker.
Drowned.
Yeah, those guys are crazy tough. Coming back to get my shit. Fuck, he's so strong, it's crazy. Yeah, he's already on my ass again. Just want my sword. Fuck is my sword. This guy's definitely an asshole.
Oh shit, is this your loot? Oops. I didn't take anything. Just
It's all good. At this point in time, I just want my fucking sword so I can fight this asshole. Maybe my shield would be nice too. Oh, I found my shield. I got my shield.
I give you mine, but I don't actually have a sword.
Okay. Ow. Okay, okay. I have an axe. Oh yeah, that was my bow. I don't think I can shoot him underwater. I have an axe. I'm gonna try to find him. Fucking got him, Jesus. He didn't drop it, son of a bitch.
Again.
I believe it's day 3. That was night 2.
Playing Minecraft.
Looking at a dome in an ocean.
I went to the mine. Is your stream frozen for me? Oh no. Oh, you actually are trying to cover the whole thing?
We're digging out that hole. Yeah.
Sea Lab
Oh, shit.
2020.
Oh shit.
Hey, Brendan. Do me a favor and just look 90 degrees to your right for about 10 seconds. Did you get that? I can't.
Smoke break for a couple seconds. Smoke break.